The National Weather Service in Topeka, Kansas, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Shawnee County and east central Kansas, northeastern Waupensee County and east central Kansas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Willard, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Topeka, Silver Lake, Rossville, Willard, Dover. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a sturdy shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows,